Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking minimalist beauty. We are talking Merit Beauty. I am so excited, you guys. Today I am collaborating with Merit Beauty on the launch of their new Solo Shadows, 8 new Solo Shadows and brush number 2. I have the pleasure of trying out one of the shadows and brush number 2 for you guys and show you how beautiful this product is. Minimalist, clean beauty products that are good for the skin, body, and the earth. That is Merit Beauty. So we are going to be trying out a new shadow today and brush. We are going to be creating this simplest, beautiful eyeshadow routine that will take no time at all and have you looking effortlessly beautiful. So if you guys would like to see the products and the brush, then just keep watching. And every first Merit order, you receive your own signature bag. How cute is this bag? It is perfect for fall. We're going into fall weather. It's on trend with the 90s. Like, it is just so cute. You can just carry it out, put a few things in it, or use it for your makeup bag. It'd be so perfect for that. Easy to just throw everything in and tie it like that. Like, how chic is that bag? Absolutely adorable. So first order with Merit Beauty, you receive a signature bag as well as free shipping over $40. Right, so we're gonna unbox the Solo Shadow. I got it in the shade Vachetta, which is a beautiful warm beige color. Perfect for me for those days that I just want to put on my makeup, one and done, and just beautiful for deep set eyes. You want that warmth in it and also just the neutral beige tones. I think this is gonna be the perfect eyeshadow for that, for just those days that you are feeling minimalist and you just wanna look effortlessly chic. So it comes in this really beautiful packaging, the gold at the top, and then how beautiful is that? Just a golden, warm, beige tone. It'll be a perfect neutral. I cannot wait to dip into this. And then we have brush number 2. It is a dual-ended brush, so you will get a nice fluffy, soft side that will be perfect for just sweeping across the cream shadow if you just want a lighter application. And then at the other end is the precise point where you can get a little bit more of a finer application. I love dual-ended brushes. You're getting 2 in 1, so you can just get precision lines with this, or like I said, just a nice wash of color over the lid. So there's a couple ways we can apply this cream shadow. We can go in with our finger just for an effortless blend, as well as using the brush. So I'm gonna start off with the brush. I have just kind of a makeup look in mind for deep set eyes in the placement of this shadow. So we're gonna go in with the brush first and take a couple swipes, and we're gonna start up on our brow bone as we usually do here for deep set eyes, and that just blends like a dream. So, so pretty. So love that it's cream to powder formula. We'll get the creaminess, the blendability, and then it'll just dry down for a nice natural finish, a nice matte look. So 90s, so on trend for fall. So I'm gonna go in with my finger now, and I'm just gonna pat, and I'm gonna add a little bit to the outer corner. I want a little bit more depth there. I want to keep that brightness in the inner corner of the eye. So just pat that on the outer corner. Look how nicely it is buildable as well. So we have a little bit of a lighter swash of color on the brow bone, but then on the inner corner, we're getting a little bit more depth with using our finger to pat that in. This feels so luxurious. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You can just pop that into the crease as well. Look how beautiful that looks on the eyes, just keeping the cream shadow to the outside. We still keep this nice inner brightness on the inner corner and just kind of placing it around the outer area just gives you that nice depth that you want. You can even just pat a little bit more on the outer corner. What I am in love with this shade. It is the perfect warm beige, the perfect everyday eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with the precision point now, and I'm going to go underneath the eye. Love doing this. Love having a little bit of warmth underneath the eye as well. And then you can just buff that out with the other side. We can even just take a little bit and go along the lash line and just warm up that lash line there. We're just kind of canceling out any bluish veiny tones along the lid, but also keeping that bright inner corner. So it's perfect that we have this precision side just to place the shadow where we want it. Just gonna blend a little bit more on the lid, just to kind of feather it along, but keeping those nice inner corners nice and bright. And how beautiful does it look? Blue eyes, gorgeous. All right, this is the final look. I love the way it came out. Just one color is all you need to enhance the beauty of your eyes, enhance deep set eyes, work with them. Like, it's just about application, applying it in certain places. But this product just blended out so smoothly with the brush. Like, there was no pulling on the skin at all, no creasing, dries down to the nice soft matte finish. How gorgeous. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much to Merit Beauty for reaching out to me and having me be a part of the launch campaign for the new Solo Shadows and brush number 2. The products are stunning, you guys. I will be linking Merit Beauty in my description box for you guys to shop, so definitely check them out and try the products out for yourself. You will not be disappointed. If you are looking for a minimal one and done eyeshadow routine, this is it. It is here for you guys. We are getting into fall, September, back to routine, back to work, back to school. Such a simple, easy eyeshadow tutorial that will just give you a gorgeous, gorgeous look and simplify your day. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.